The year was 1822. In a small town nestled in France, a legend was born. His name, Louis Pasteur. He would grow up to change the world. Little did anyone know, this child would unlock secrets of the universe. These secrets were hidden in plain sight. Pasteur's keen mind craved knowledge from a young age. He was fascinated by the world around him. He questioned everything. This curiosity would lead him on an extraordinary journey. His discoveries would save countless lives. Louis Pasteur was a bright and curious child. From a very young age, he exhibited a keen interest in the world around him, always asking questions and seeking to understand the mysteries of life. His thirst for knowledge was insatiable. He would spend hours in the local library devouring books on a wide range of subjects from biology to chemistry and everything in between. His mind was a sponge, absorbing information at an astonishing rate. He spent countless hours in his father's tannery. This was not just a place of work for young Louis, it was a laboratory of sorts where he could observe the intricate processes of leather making and the chemical reactions involved. It was a place of sights, smells, and processes that sparked his curiosity. The various tools and materials used in the tannery fascinated him, and he often wondered how different substances interacted with each other. Formal education was crucial for young Louis. His parents recognized his potential and ensured he received the best education possible. They enrolled him in a local school where he quickly stood out among his peers. He excelled in his studies. His teachers were amazed by his ability to grasp complex concepts with ease and his unwavering dedication to learning. His teachers recognized his exceptional potential. They saw in him a future scientist, someone who could make significant contributions to the world of science. They encouraged him to pursue his passion for science. They provided him with additional resources and opportunities to explore his interests further, nurturing his budding talent. He would later go on to study at the École Normale Supérieure in Paris. This was a dream come true for Louis, as it was one of the most prestigious educational institutions in France. This prestigious institution would be his training ground. Here, he would be exposed to the latest scientific theories and practices, and he would have the opportunity to work with some of the brightest minds of his time. It was here that he would hone his skills and embark on a remarkable scientific journey. His time at the École Normale Supérieure would lay the foundation for his future discoveries and innovations, setting him on a path to becoming one of the most influential scientists in history. Pasteur's early work focused on chemistry. He made groundbreaking discoveries about the structure of crystals. His research on tartaric acid was revolutionary. It revealed the existence of molecular asymmetry. It formed the basis of a new field, stereochemistry. This discovery was a major breakthrough. It demonstrated Pasteur's exceptional ability to observe and analyze. He was not content with simply accepting the status quo. He sought deeper explanations. He had an unyielding desire to understand the fundamental principles governing the natural world. This drive would lead him to even greater discoveries. Pasteur's attention turned to a perplexing problem. Why did wine and beer spoil? The prevailing theory was spontaneous generation. People believed that life arose spontaneously from non-living matter. Pasteur was skeptical. He suspected something else was at play. He conducted a series of elegant experiments. Pasteur demonstrated that microorganisms were the culprits behind fermentation and spoilage. These tiny organisms, invisible to the naked eye, were everywhere. They were in the air, in the water, and even on our skin. This discovery revolutionized our understanding of the natural world. Section 5. Taming the microscopic world. Pasteur's discovery of microorganisms had profound implications. It led to the development of pasteurization. This simple yet effective process involved heating liquids to a specific temperature for a specific time. This killed harmful bacteria. It prevented spoilage. Pasteurization revolutionized food safety. It saved countless lives by preventing foodborne illnesses. Milk, wine, and beer could now be enjoyed without the risk of contamination. This breakthrough extended the shelf life of food. It made food more accessible to people around the world. Section 6. A shot of hope, the dawn of vaccines. Pasteur's work on microorganisms led him to another groundbreaking discovery: vaccines. He realized that weakened or inactive forms of germs could trigger an immune response. This response, he hypothesized, could protect against future infections. This was a revolutionary concept. He tested his theory on chickens infected with chicken cholera. The results were astounding. The vaccinated chickens survived, the unvaccinated chickens succumbed to the disease. Pasteur had done it. He had developed a way to prevent infectious diseases. Section 7. Battling rabies, a medical triumph. Pasteur's greatest triumph was yet to come. Rabies, a deadly disease, was a terrifying threat. It affected animals and humans alike. There was no cure. Pasteur was determined to find a solution. He worked tirelessly in his lab developing a rabies vaccine. The challenge was immense. Rabies was a viral disease, not bacterial. Viruses were much smaller and more difficult to work with, but Pasteur persevered. Section 8. Pasteur's enduring legacy, a foundation for modern medicine. The moment of truth arrived in 1885. A young boy named Joseph Meister was bitten by a rabid dog. His life hung in the balance. Pasteur, with a heavy heart but unwavering resolve, administered his experimental rabies vaccine. The world watched and waited. Days turned into weeks. Joseph Meister made a full recovery. The impossible had happened. Pasteur's vaccine worked. It was a medical miracle. This triumph marked a turning point in the fight against infectious diseases. It ushered in a new era of medicine. Section 9. Honors to a scientific giant. Louis Pasteur's groundbreaking discoveries brought him international acclaim. He was showered with honors and awards. His name became synonymous with scientific brilliance. But for Pasteur, the true reward was not personal glory. It was the impact of his work on humanity. His legacy extends far beyond his numerous accolades. Pasteur's unwavering dedication to scientific inquiry, his relentless pursuit of knowledge, and his deep compassion for humanity continue to inspire generations of scientists and medical professionals worldwide. Section 10. Pasteur's global impact, a healthier world. Louis Pasteur, a name synonymous with groundbreaking scientific achievements, has left an indelible mark on the world. His relentless pursuit of knowledge and unwavering dedication to science have transformed the landscape of global health. Pasteur's discoveries had a profound impact on global health. His pioneering work in microbiology and chemistry led to the development of the germ theory of disease, fundamentally changing our understanding of how illnesses spread and how they can be prevented. His work laid the foundation for modern medicine. By identifying the role of microorganisms in disease, Pasteur opened the door to a new era of medical research and treatment. His methods and principles are still taught in medical schools around the world today. It paved the way for the development of countless vaccines and antibiotics. Pasteur's research into vaccines began with his work on chicken cholera and anthrax, eventually leading to the creation of the rabies vaccine. These breakthroughs have had a lasting impact, providing the tools needed to combat deadly diseases. These life-saving innovations have saved millions of lives. Vaccines have eradicated smallpox, nearly eliminated polio, and continue to protect us from diseases like measles, mumps, and rubella. Antibiotics have revolutionized the treatment of bacterial infections, turning once fatal illnesses into manageable conditions. They continue to protect us from the threat of infectious diseases. In today's world, vaccines are more important than ever as we face new challenges like the COVID-19 pandemic. The principles established by Pasteur guide current research and development, ensuring that we remain vigilant and prepared. Pasteur's legacy is a testament to the power of science. The institutions and research centers that bear his name, such as the Pasteur Institute, continue to advance scientific knowledge and public health. His contributions have inspired generations of scientists to pursue their own discoveries. It is a reminder that curiosity, determination, and a passion for knowledge can change the world. Pasteur's story is one of perseverance and innovation, demonstrating that even the most complex problems can be solved with dedication and ingenuity. His story is an inspiration to us all. It encourages us to look beyond the present and imagine a future where science and technology continue to improve our lives. Pasteur's achievements remind us that the pursuit of knowledge is a noble and essential endeavor. It teaches us that even in the face of adversity, we can overcome seemingly insurmountable challenges. Pasteur faced numerous obstacles and skepticism, yet his unwavering commitment to his work led to discoveries that have had a profound and lasting impact on humanity. His legacy is a beacon of hope and a call to action for future generations. Section 11. A timeless inspiration, Pasteur's enduring legacy. Louis Pasteur's name is etched in the annals of history. His contributions to science and medicine have left an indelible mark on the world. He is remembered as one of the most important scientists of all time. His pioneering work in microbiology and chemistry laid the foundation for many modern scientific advancements. His work transformed our understanding of the world. Pasteur's discoveries in germ theory revolutionized the way we think about disease and hygiene, leading to practices that have saved countless lives. It continues to shape our lives today. From the development of vaccines to the pasteurization process that keeps our food safe, Pasteur's innovations are integral to our daily lives. His legacy serves as a beacon of hope and inspiration. Schools, hospitals, and research institutions around the world bear his name, a testament to his enduring impact. Pasteur's story is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the indomitable spirit of scientific inquiry. His relentless pursuit of knowledge and his innovative experiments have inspired generations of scientists. His life and work stand as a timeless reminder that the pursuit of knowledge, driven by compassion and a desire to make a difference, can truly change the world. Pasteur's dedication to science was not just about discovery, but about improving the human condition. His work in developing vaccines for rabies and anthrax showcased his commitment to using science for the betterment of humanity. Today, his legacy lives on in the countless researchers who continue to push the boundaries of science inspired by Pasteur's example. His story encourages us to remain curious, to question the world around us, and to strive for breakthroughs that can make a lasting difference. Louis Pasteur's enduring legacy is a powerful reminder that with dedication, perseverance, and a passion for discovery, we can overcome challenges and achieve greatness. His life is a beacon, guiding future generations towards a brighter, healthier, and more enlightened world.